Good morning, peeps. Welcome to another vlog. So we are here at a building that we typically service. The first thing that we're going to be doing today is I'm going to pop in, I'm going to put in a brand new kitchen faucet. That's the game plan for right now. And then later on, I think we're doing a couple of valves. Do me a favor, peeps. If you haven't already, please subscribe down below, hit that thumbs up button, and let's go do some delicious plumbing. Alrighty, so a pretty straightforward installation in my opinion. The only thing that I ended up doing was letting the customer know that there was quite a bit discoloration taking place on the drain. So it was kind of greenish, whitish as well, which is a clear indication usually that the pipe is deteriorating from the inside out usually. And those spots kind of appear when the pipe is thinning. And at the same time, the valves were looking a little bit old as well. So I just let them know, listen, just a heads up, within the next couple of years, you're probably gonna want to, as a safety measure, just get this stuff sorted out sort of thing. I always find it difficult letting customers know that because I don't want to come across like I'm aching for their work, you know what I mean, or aching for more money. I am just trying to be your friendly neighborhood plumber, if you know what I'm saying. But sometimes it could be taken the wrong way, in other words. So I try to let them know, especially, look, it might not happen for a while. You might not have an issue with this for maybe 1 or 2 years, but you know, when the time's right for you financially, definitely take a look at this because the plumbing's looking like it's in rough shape. I feel like that's part of the job description, and I hope it comes across like I'm not kind of Scrooge, you know, trying to get as much money as I can. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to have some lunch, probably grab some coffees, and then we're going to go to another building nearby here, and we're going to get a couple of valves done. Let's go do some delicious plumbing. was an absolute pain in the rear end, and I'm talking about doing the first valves, the set of valves that are actually the corporation's responsibility, which were the ones inside the wall. That's how this corporation distinguishes between whose responsibility the valves are. If it's within the wall, it's considered the corporation's responsibility. If it's in the unit, it's considered the customer's responsibility. That's how at least it works for these laundry valves that we just put in. So what I essentially had to do was open up a hole. If I wasn't going to open up a hole, a couple of things would happen. I was risking taking off the bonnet of the valve on the inside with also breaking the pipe as well, because I wasn't able to back up the pipe. By putting another wrench as backup, you're ensuring that the pipe's not going to break or bend. But because there was such limited space, I wasn't able to put a backup whatsoever, which made it also difficult to rotate the valve. So basically I called the superintendent and said, listen, there's no real way to do this. I will save a tremendous amount of time if I could just open up a hole. And as you saw, as soon as I opened up the hole, the job turned into a 1-minute job rather than a 30-minute job, fumbling around trying to get my adjustable wrench in there so that it's the right size and also to be able to try to torque it. So I solved that problem by cutting open some drywall, which means that they got to call a drywaller. But listen, sometimes that's what it takes. Peeps, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Smash that like button. It really helps the channel out and our goal of getting to 10K as soon as possible. And I appreciate the love and support. Kenny Molotov, guys. Peace, baby. I'm the only one, so